So if you are looking to improve any area of your life, it doesn't matter whether it's your body, whether it's your mind, whether it's your money, whether it's your relationships, whether it's any area, there's only 3 major things that you need to focus on. Guess what they are? So, hi guys, I'm Archimedes. I get to travel all around the world helping people create what I call a life of miracles. Now, for you to improve any area of your life, you've got to focus on these 3 things. And when we focus on these 3 things, what we need to make sure we do is that you learn how to put the right fuel in the tank. And we're going to look at these 3 things like 3 different engines. If you had the chance to go through life with an engine behind you, or 2 engines, or 3 engines, how many are you going to pick? Of course you're going to pick 3. That's why we want to focus on these 3 areas to improve the quality of your life. So area number 1, yes, it's this thing. It's what I'm doing right now. It's your body. You've got to focus on your body, because this thing is the miracle. All you've got to be able to do is to bring out of it what's already in it. You've got anything from 50 to 100 trillion cells that are all working right now to improve the quality of your experience on planet Earth. You need this physical body. So that's number 1, is the body. We've got to make sure that your body is functioning well. Your body has this energy in it. Your body has a lot of immunity. Your body is strong, balanced, flexible. We want all these things. Otherwise, what's going to happen is the body gets weaker. The body starts to shut down. The body starts to be off balance. The body starts to take on illnesses. All of that stuff is lifestyle driven, because health is your birthright. So we've got to make sure that the body is functioning well. So we have to learn how to fuel up the body in the right ways. And this is what I love teaching people. What's the second one? Oh my God, the second one. This is the mind. Your mind, I'm sure you know, your mind can be very, very powerful, but it can be powerful in positive or negative ways. So you need to understand that just because you get thoughts in the mind, it doesn't mean that they're real. You're having about 95% of most people's thoughts in today's world, guess what? They're negative. That's crazy. Negative thoughts every single day is going to do what? Stress you out. And then what happens? Then the body starts to get poisoned because of the mind. So we've got to understand, right, we've got to understand about this body. We've got to study how this body works. We've got to understand that this is your ship through life, and we want to make sure that your ship through life is taking you on the most unbelievable journeys. We want to have great journeys in the mind as well. So nothing in life means anything until we pin a meaning on it. The challenge is most people are pinning meanings on things that are negative. Most people are pinning meanings on things that are not even the truth. They're creating all these illusions, and then they go into fear, and it's the fear that starts to drive them forward in life. And what happens if you've got fear? You've got a low immune system. You're not going to be energized. You're not going to be balanced. And all of a sudden, this thing up here, because you haven't got control of it, guess what? It just knocks you out multiple times throughout the day. Now, what's the third element? Oh yes, we're talking about your spirit. We're talking about your soul. We're talking about 95% of what you truly are, my friend, is you're non-visible and you are non-physical. 95% of what you truly are. So what does that mean? You've got way more to discover. And if you do want to discover more parts of who you truly are, then you need to focus on your body, you've got to focus on your mind, and you've got to focus on your spirit, on your soul. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to keep living life in these illusions. And we don't want you living life in illusions. What we want is you living life in the truth, because it's in that truth that you can become free. And if you want to become free, then I want to gift you a free training. All you got to do, there's going to be a link somewhere around here. Click that link and we're going to offer you a free training so that you can learn how to literally fuel up your body, how to fuel up your mind, and how to fuel up yourself spiritually. And then what do? You start to be a creator. All the stuff, I mean, look at this, look. Like kids are playing, I love all this stuff because guess what? When you connect to the truth, you're going to realize that you are creating your life whether you like it or not. So we might as well start to create a masterpiece instead of creating something of destruction. We want to make sure that your life is a creation of beauty, passion, love, all the good stuff that you want to be experiencing on a daily basis. And that is what I'd love to share with you on this free training. So click that link and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.